Good morning, all of you. Myself, Ms. Deepti from Dip Scroll Bagh. In today's lecture, we were going to do the question answer of Geography Chapter 2, Land, Natural Resources, Land, Water, and Soil. So, first question is why does the use of land vary from place to place? Answer is the use of land vary from place to place because of following reasons. Number one, all parts of land surface are not equally inhabited. Number 1. Number 2, the land areas does not have suitable condition for survival of human beings. Question number 3 is what factors are mainly responsible for formation of soil? The important factors of formation of soils are: number 1, the climatic condition, the nature of the soil, the topography of the area, the type of vegetation, and the time taken by various soil formation process. Question number 3 is what do you understand by the common property resources? The use of the community land for its common use, such as for collection of orders, so schools, hospitals, fairs and festivals, etc. These community lands are also called the common property resources. Question number 4 is what factors that influence the land use pattern? The factor of land use pattern are: number 1, the slope of land; number 2, presence and absence of the soil; number 3, availability of the soil and or underground water; number 4, the prevailing climate condition; number 5, nature of rocks and mineral present in them; number 6, level of technology; number 7, quantity and quality of manpower; number 8, economic value of the available land. Question number 5 is name and describe the 4 distinct origins of the soil. The 4 distinct origins of the soil are origin A, B, C and D from top layer to downwards. First one is the top layer of the origin, which is also called the topsoil. It has most of the minerals and organic materials need for the growth of plants. Number 2, below the topsoil, the origin B is there, which is also called the subsoil. This layer has enough materials but less organic matters. The subsoil may have some living organism. Below the subsoil is the origin C, which has partly weakened weathered rocks. These rocks are actually producing new soil, but this layer is not affected by biological process. Fourth, at last, the base of the soil profile, the unbroken solid rocks. This is below origin C and is called the origin D. Next question is question number 6 is name and explain the method of conservation of soil. Soil can be conserved by mulching, contour barriers, rock dams, transforming, intercropping, contour plugging or shelter belts. Next question is what is the significance of water for living beings on the earth? The significance of water is following. Number 1, water is essential for survival of living organism. Number 2, it helps to moderating the temperature. Number 3, human beings need it for their domestic needs and economic needs. Number 4, water is also used for generating electricity. Question number 8 is what are the causes of scarcity of water on the earth? The causes of scarcity of water on the earth are: number 1, there is shortage of fresh water. It is mainly due to the increasing demand of increasing population. Number 2, the problem is due to the drying up of water resources. Number 3, large scale of pollution of rivers, water by industrial discharge and flow of electricity waste. Question number 9 is there. Why should we conserve water and how? So we should conserve water as every person on the earth needs water to survive. We can conserve water by following method. Number 1, by using water supply wisely. Number 2, we should not pollute water by throwing our waste in it. Number 3, by rainwater harvesting. Number 4, using sprinkling or dripping irrigation method. Number 5, by treating sewerage water. Question number 10 is what is intercropping? Intercropping, this is the method different crops are grown in the alternate rows and also sown at different times. The soil can possibly be protected by rainwash as field remains under some crops throughout the year. This is the intercropping method. These were the question answers of Geography chapter 2. In next lecture we are going to do the SPL chapter 1. Till then, stay home, stay healthy, and hopefully we are going to see you soon. Thank you very much.